So here we have another topic of integral 7.6 exercise. Now this is a very important topic. We did integration by parts. Now this is a formula which would be used in integration. You can also derive this formula by parts. If the question is of the form e raised to x fx plus f dash x, you get the answer as e raised to x into fx plus c. So the question has to be in this particular form. Then you can directly write the answer as this. Please do remember, you can derive this by parts, but you don't need to do that. So for example, if I have a question like e raised to x tan inverse x plus 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. So this is of which particular kind? What can I take as fx? You know tan inverse x का derivative क्या होता है? 1 upon 1 plus x square होता है. तो मैं fx को क्या ले रही हूँ? tan inverse x ले रही हूँ. तो उसका डेरिवेटिव कितना हो गया? 1 upon 1 plus x square हो गया. तो मेरा आंसर क्या हुआ? e raised to, then you will say that this is in this particular form. Mention this particular thing in every question. So this would give me what? E raised to x into fx plus c. So that's e raised to x into tan inverse x plus c. Now I take up another question. A simple question. E raised to x 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. तो अब आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना आना चाहिए कि किसको आप fx लोगे और किसको f dash x लोगे. आपको पता है 1 by x square का डेरिवेटिव इज नॉट 1 by x, बट 1 by x का डेरिवेटिव इज व्हाट? माइनस 1 by x square. तो fx को मैंने क्या लिया? 1 by x. तो f dash x क्या हो गया? minus 1 by x square हो गया. So this is of this particular form. So what's the answer that I get? E raised to x into 1 by x plus c. That gives me my required particular answer. Now I take up another question. If the question is x e raised to x upon 1 plus x square. So now this question is not in the form of e raised to x fx plus f dash x. So I will try and reduce it in that particular form. So what I do in the numerator, I add 1 and subtract 1 upon 1 plus x ka whole square. So now this becomes what? Nothing but x plus 1 upon 1 plus x ka whole square upon 1 plus x ka whole square minus 1 upon 1 plus x ka whole square into e raised to x. So what have I done? I have added 1 and subtracted 1 in the numerator and then split the numerator. I split the numerator. So now what happens? This x plus 1, this x plus 1 cancels. So what am I left from here? I am left with nothing but 1 upon 1 plus x minus 1 upon 1 plus x ka whole square into e raised to x. So this is again of this particular form where fx takes up what value? 1 upon 1 plus x and f dash x takes up what value? Minus 1 upon 1 plus x ka whole square. So what's the answer that I get from here? E raised to x into fx. So I get the answer as e raised to x into 1 upon 1 plus x plus c. Please do mention this is of this particular form and the answer is what? E raised to x into fx plus c. Now what's my fx? Fx is 1 upon 1 plus x. So that is how we can do it. Let's take up another important question. Question 18. E raised to x into 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Now you cannot integrate it normally. ये सारे questions को बोलो आप मैम हम normally integrate कर दें. No, they are going to be very long और कुछ तो हो ही नहीं पाएंगे. So you will have to apply this particular formula. So now what I do in this particular question is I again write 1 upon 1 plus sin x. 1 plus cos x can be written as what? 2 cos square x by 2. डिनोमिनेटर 1 प्लस cos x को मैंने क्या लिखा? ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूला लगाया and I wrote it as 2 cos square x by 2. Now I can split the numerator. So now when I split the numerator, this becomes what? E raised to x 1 upon 2 cos square x by 2 plus sin x upon 2 cos square x by 2. ये सब मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ? To bring it in the form of fx plus f dash x. तो अब जब न्यूमरेटर स्प्लिट हुआ तो ये कितना हो गया, e रेज टू x 1/2 6 स्क्वायर x by 2 लिख दिया मैंने इसको, प्लस sin x में अगेन आई अप्लाई व्हाट ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फॉर्मूला विच इज व्हाट 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So what happens, 2 cancels, 1 cos cancels. So now this becomes what, nothing but e raised to x 1/2 6 square x by 2 plus tan x by 2 dx. So now what, this is of this particular form where fx would take up what value, fx would be tan x by 2. तो उसका डेरिवेटिव f dash x कितना हो जाएगा 6 स्क्वायर x by 2 इंटू 1/2. एक अगर 1/2 भी मिसिंग है तो आप वो नहीं लिख सकते हो, या कुछ एक्स्ट्रा आ रहा है तो भी आप वो नहीं लिख सकते हो. एंड प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला इज डिफाइंड विद ओनली e raised to x. e raised to 2x है 3x है तो ये फॉर्मूला नहीं है डिफाइंड, तो आपको रिड्यूस करना पड़ता है. सो व्हाट्स द फाइनल आंसर दैट आई गेट फ्रॉम हियर, e raised to x into tan x by 2 plus c e raised to x into fx plus c gives me my final particular answer. So these were some important questions on 7.6. This is a very easy topic to be taken up. There are 2 marker or 4 marker questions on this. I hope it is clear to everybody.